Hi everybody. So this is my third Pinch Me box I got this month. I'm going to put the other two videos right after this one so you can see all three together. And let's open this box and see what we got. So starting off, HelloFresh, meal kit coupons. Then we have Carmex Advanced Care Repair. So we have that one. What else we have in here? Oh, there is grapefruit hand cream. I think this is pronounced Siomu. So we have some grapefruit hand cream. And oh, it looks like just telling us more about the Carmex Advanced Repair. So that is all we have in this box. So I'll put the other two videos after this one so you can see what I got in the other two boxes. Bye. Hi guys. So I got another Pinch Me box. It came in the mail last week, but I was traveling, so I'm just getting a chance to open it now. Let's see what's inside. So first off, we have Natural Eyes Complete Eye Relief. It's like fast dissolving tablets, temporarily relieves symptoms of dryness, redness, irritation, watering, and burning. So that's what we have, and there are 48 tablets in this pack. So that's one item. Oh, 3 popped out. What is this? Let me look. I'm going to have to look to see, find the name for this. So we have lotion. I feel like they give me this in a lot of the boxes. So Tacoma, Ecos Tacoma, anti-aging signs of aging for your bodies and skin. That lotion. We have True Labs Hydrate Electrolyte Drink Mix. This flavor is peach mango. Try that. Let's see. Oh, this is a deep hydration hair mask from Keratin Care. Well, Jessia is for Keratin Care. Is moisturizing, smooth, and nourish. Improve overall scalp health and nourish hair roots. So we have that. And then we have this. I'm going to open it to see exactly what it is, because I'm curious to know what we got here. Oh, it looks like a makeup bag. It is a makeup bag. So I can put all this stuff inside this little bag. So we have a makeup bag. Also, and this is just telling us about Amazon. I can win an Amazon shopping spree when you share about your Pinch Me experience. Just making sure. Yep, I got everything out of the box. So that's our Pinch Me box. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hi, everybody. So I'm back again, and instead of having a Pinch Me box, I have a Pinch Me envelope. So we're going to see what kind of goodies they gave me in this little bitty envelope. Oh, so I have Earth Breeze laundry detergent sheets. They're eco sheets and they're ultra concentrated. So we have this. Oh, and then we have, this is cute, glow in the dark, looks like Band-Aids, flex fabric bandages. So free sample inside. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, kind of funky. A Band-Aid to try. And then this is Naturo Eco Tucuma, anti-signs of aging for your body and skin. It looks like, I've had this before. It has a strong smell, but it's a good smell. So you have this lotion. And let me see. Okay, that's all we got today. So this could be a short video, but that was my Pinch Me envelope. I should have another box coming soon. And when I get it, I'll post that here. Bye, guys.